Hi.
Spider-Man's name is Peter Parker. What the? Call me, sir. Call me, sir. Yes.
What is that?
Yes.
What is that? Strange. We can't send them back. Not yet.
Bye.
Okay.